2:35 p.m. December 31, 2024. Yes, almost countdown now. In Philippines will be 10:35. Okay. Yes, all the preparation starting for this evening for the medianoche. Buchi. Rosie, on, right. Countdown starting. Countdown starting. Yeah. Hintay ko lang si Mommy. Mamaya, then I go to work tonight. Then MJ, Grace will be there. Cooking fishy. Mga handa. Doing some grill. We have this pork, roast pork. Alright, that's it for now. See you later. See you later.